Wagwan everybody, Niketa here, and today we are at LiQWYD Park Estate to do the rum tour, so let's go. Yeah, so this is on-age rum, white rum, 3-year-old. So on-age to 12 years. Color transformation by aging of rum. I did say it's a rum tour that we are doing today, and we are at the LiQWYD Estate. I really like it, I say.
Because sugarcane itself is a giant plant from the grass family, which consists of 75% water, 10 to 16% fibers, and 10 to 16% sugar. And it takes 10 months to 2 years for it to mature. Now with the fertile soil that we have here, we're able to harvest our sugarcane only in 12 months. Now we plant 20 different varieties of sugarcane, and you're going to try one out of the 20 varieties that we use. So the one you're going to try is the virgin cane, alright? So it's a little sweet, or a little hard to bite in as well. So there's actually the wastewater after fermentation and distillation, which is known as dunder, is used back into the cane fields as fertilizer for the sugar cane.
Thank you.
So pretty much nothing goes to waste.
Okay.
Care to share? Would you care to share?
Sugar.
Come on, it's okay if you want to share.
I just wanted to know what the germination process was like. What you guys know about that here?
No. Alright, so once we harvest, we take it to the sugar factory. The juice is extracted, and when it is boiled, by the way, you're not allowed to.
They said it's about 1 minute now. I don't know if normally they provide transportation, and because of COVID they're asking persons to use their own vehicle. I'm not exactly sure, but yes, so everybody on the tour is using their own vehicle. The seating is separate. Is this bamboo? Yeah, this is bamboo. It has a very rustic vibe. And how much? So hi again everybody. I don't think I've introduced Melissa since we started the vlog, but Mel took me on this LiQWYD tour thing. So thank you, Mel. You're welcome. And we're rich. One more sip of my rum punch. If you've watched my previous like vlog where I went to a rum tour, you know that it takes me all day to drink my samples. So I'll probably have this drinking with my dinner tomorrow, unlike some ramen people. 10 seconds, them done. I'm gone already? Yeah. Wow. Maybe wear sneakers is something else. for this tour, you're not able to video inside of the facilities. For the tour, we're not able to video inside of the facilities. We went to the bottling, the distilling, and where else? The aging. Yes, I really like the aging area. The aging area, it has a very, like a Caribbean rum. Yes. So, yeah, the smell in the aging area is really, really nice. It smells like rum. Apparently, you're not allowed to be there for more than like 2 hours because the scent will get you drunk, I guess. So we are back to where the tour started, and here we will be doing additional sampling. If you know anything about me, still not done my rum pond.
Yeah, and you're going to drink because you just came out of the aging area, so.
But the property is really nice, though. I like over there. It's pretty. So let's finish this tour.
So you can see that the color is also nice clean and clear. Alright, with glass table.
Oh my god.
Remember
Somebody broke a cover. The covers are made of glass.
So let's inhale. Now you're going to realize that the notes that you're picking up is way sweeter. Yeah, way nice.
It's very
Swirl
strong.
liquid in the glass and inhale once again.
Yeah, it's a lot stronger.
Yes. Alright? Real liquid. Right now, go ahead and taste. You're going to realize it evaporates.
Strong.
3%. It is going to evaporate still. Let's go. But at the back of your throat, all the notes are there. So evaporate. Remember, it's 63%. It's the strongest one.
Very strong.
Right?
Yeah, hard.
Right? How's
Yeah,
the
romance.
water?
No, so. Melissa, are you drinking rum and water at home? I'm concerned. It's just like,
We're going to go to the third
really
one.
feel strong enough.
So we're going to take things down a notch. So the third one you're going to have the rum bar bowl. Alright, now it's 40% released in 2014.
Let me put all of these things together because I don't want to break people in.
Let's evaluate. Remove the glass cover and take your glass by the stem.
Ooh, I really like swirly type.
Now return the liquid to the center. Now take a look at the side of the glass as you leave the liquid on.
Oh yeah, it's stained,
Something
kind of.
to the side.
Those are the legs.
Some molecules moving. It's what is moving like snails. You can squeeze them.
Yeah. Are those called the legs?
Yes, she's correct. Those are called legs. So just like wine, rum do have legs. So those are the rum legs. So let me tell you about these legs. If the legs are rushing to get back down into the glass, it's a light body rum with thin legs. But if the legs are still standing there, it's a full body rum with thick
They
legs.
still have legs.
So the thicker the legs, the better the rum.
Oh, and this is what sets this apart. The ESV. Just look at that.
Alright, now hold your glass upright position. Ready? Take a look where the liquid meets the glass. You're going to see a ring going right around the liquid. It looks almost like oil sitting on water.
Yeah.
And that right there is called olive green ring of aging.
Okay. Yeah, the ring cake is nice.
Smooth, it goes down
It's
easy.
very smooth.
Very silky. All I need is probably the crushed ice. This is nice. It is nice.
Yeah, this is refreshing. Water. I need to go to sleep. So these
So we
are
have
all
come to the end of the tour.
So at the back of the sitting area, there is a gift bar and it's really reasonable priced. They have a rum cream, a big bottle which is 750 ml for like 1,100 and a small bottle for like $200 and something dollars, $270 really. So it's giving them really reasonable price. And they also do sugar, which I can't believe I didn't notice, but this is the sugar I've been purchasing. Rum cream, gold, white rum, all of that. So very reasonable price. I purchased a few items. And they also have molasses. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And the best thing I got is molasses, which was less than $300, which is pure molasses, really nice. I just want to close off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way through. Really appreciate that. So all in all, I really do enjoy the LiQWYD tour. It's $20 for locals and $25 for non-Jamaicans. They do the tour Monday to Friday, they said, Melissa? Monday to Friday, and they have a website or you can call. So I'll leave the information below. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I really love their gift shop. I think the items are reasonably priced. They do molasses, the pure molasses, no syrups, all of that, no sweetness, additives. They say it's rich in vitamin B12 as well as iron. So I can show you. This is probably my favorite thing from the whole experience, getting the rich molasses. You hear that? And it's so thick. It smells strong, so thick. So this alone is worth the trip, and this is like 350 Jamaican dollars. So this big thing of molasses. So really enjoyed that, and overall the whole tour, I like the estate. We're going to just go around and take a few pictures. Thank you guys again for watching the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.